Good morning, Mr. Erlan. Okay, my honorable teacher. My name is Bentar Maulus Menjuntak. I am from 6E, and I'm going to tell about our last assignment. Okay, before I'm going to tell about our discussion, I want to tell about my subject. Okay, actually, my subject is language testing. What is language? What is testing? Language is the system of human communicating to communicate each other, and testing is how to make adjustment for our students to measure their knowledge. And then I will answer my friend's questions.
Okay, what should you make in preparing a test?
Okay, before we prepare our test, actually, as well as we are a tester or we are inspector, we have to make table of specification. It's a draft for our students to make a complete questions for their last examination.
Okay, what does the blueprint?
The blueprint contains so many aspects. In the blueprints or table of solutions, there are kinds of schools, there are limited time, there are subject, curriculum, name of school or kind of school, like example like senior high school or junior high school, and there are the limit of questions, there are kind of tests like essay or multiple choice, and there are the composers who make the questions. And then in the table we have to include for 6 columns. There are standard competence, and then basic competence, and class or semester, the third columns, and the fourth is materials, the main materials and the fifth is indicator questions, and the last is the number of questions. Then what should we make in a standard competence? And what is standard competence? Standard competence is a kind of how to make response for our students. Example, like in the reading text or reading questions, we can use standard competence in the reading, such as how to make and how to get information from the text. And then we can use the standard competence of how the students understand the meanings of the text. Okay, the function text. Perhaps it's a short text or long essay, sometimes in the recount, narrative, procedure, and many more, of course. And then in the basic competence, we can use the basic competence such as how to make a response in the meaning for the students. Example, like in recount, narrative, and procedure. How could the student respond the meaning of the text? And then in the indicator, we can use this indicator, like in defining the meanings of the sentence or sometimes in the text or in the paragraph. And then to identify the main idea of the text or paragraph, or sometimes we can use the purpose of the text, like in the text produced. What does the text propose? And then we can include the identifying of the structure in the text procedure. Okay. Then in the table of specification, we have to make limited occasions, of course. We don't need to make much or many questions, but there's no limit of time. We have to make it. Example, in each questions, we have to make 3 minutes for answer the question. So the students must have time to answer the question, and it's appropriate for them. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you, Mister. This is my last assignment. Thank you. Okay, good.